You're listening to Automotive Repair News Today. I'm Braxton Critcher. President Donald Trump has begun rolling back electric vehicle policies. He has revoked a 2021 executive order targeting 50% EV sales by 2030 and is planning to end state-level zero-emission vehicle rules and EV tax credits. However, these changes will face hurdles. Congress must approve any adjustments to the Inflation Reduction Act, and 9 states are already set up to ban gas-powered car sales by 2035. The U.S. EV market has been growing, though, with 1 in 12 new cars sold was an EV last year. Industry leaders warn that cutting EV subsidies could hinder U.S. automakers' ability to compete with China, which dominates the global EV market. Automakers have already invested $33 billion in EV production, relying on subsidies to make EVs more accessible to Americans. We'll keep you posted on this. The Institute for Automotive Business Excellence has launched its partnership program, a program that will connect automotive professionals with top-tier vendors through validation. This initiative ensures every vendor recommendation is thoroughly vetted for client satisfaction and operational excellence. Our mission is to support our clients with industry-leading vendors that deliver measurable success, said COO Kent Bullard. With 21 partners so far, including Auto Vitals, Shopware, and Parts Tech, the program offers clients streamlined access to innovative solutions. Partnerships are reviewed biannually to maintain the highest standards. Explore the full vendor list and learn more at the Institute's website or touch the link in the show notes below. Cybersecurity researcher Sam Curry revealed a major vulnerability in Subaru's Starlink system, allowing hackers to access owner data and control vehicle functions remotely. In a January 23rd blog post, Curry detailed how he gained administrative access to nearly all Starlink-equipped vehicles in the U.S., Canada, and Japan. Using just a license plate or VIN, Curry tracked vehicle locations and controlled features like locking and engine startup. The flaw was discovered in November of last year and was quickly patched after Curry alerted Subaru. A Subaru representative confirmed that no actual customer accounts were compromised. Curry also warned in his blog post that similar vulnerabilities exist in systems from other automakers, including Honda and Toyota. Sonic Tools USA has announced the Sonic Impact Scholarship Program, offering 10 scholarships to aspiring technicians in automotive, aviation, and manufacturing fields. Winners will receive professional toolkits and toolboxes. 5 scholarships will be awarded in June of this year and 5 more in November. Applicants must submit proof of trade school enrollment, a recommendation letter, a short video, and an essay on how they embody Sonic's PACE values. Touch the link in the show notes for more. RepairPal has partnered with AutoLink to bring its Car Genius platform to auto loan customers. Car Genius connects vehicle owners with expert guidance from former technicians and access to RepairPal's network of 3,800 certified repair shops. This partnership ensures AutoLink users have trusted support for all of their automotive repair needs. Techmetric has named Lauren Langston as its new president and COO. Langston has experience in firms Cantata and MavenLink. At Techmetric, she'll partner with CEO Sunny Patel to shore up operations and drive growth. Patel praised Langston's ability to turn ideas into results, saying her expertise will help Techmetric provide auto repair shops with cutting-edge solutions in an increasingly complex industry. At the 2025 NADA show in New Orleans, outgoing NADA chairman Gary Gilchrist called on new car dealers to go on the offensive against regulatory overreach and the OEM direct sales models. Reflecting on a shift in leadership under the Trump administration, Gilchrist expressed optimism about achieving sensible, workable, and achievable emissions regulations, and halting the FTC's controversial vehicle shopping rule. Gilchrist said that strengthening NADA's ties with state associations started the record-high dealership satisfaction scores in 2024. He wants that to continue in 2025, but stressed his opinion to work now on emissions regulations before the government forces its hand. The 12th Annual California Tire Dealers Association and 1-800-EVERY-RIM New Year's Luncheon will take place Thursday, January 30th at Stevens Steak and Seafood House in Commerce, California. Despite the ongoing regional tragedies and wildfires, CTDA leadership decided to move forward with the event, viewing it as an opportunity to come together and support fire victims, particularly those in the tire business. Donations of both financial support and essential goods will be accepted at the luncheon. The event will also feature a panel discussion on right to repair, moderated by Greg Smith of Modern Tire Dealer. The luncheon is free for CTDA members, with limited spots available for non-members. Link in the show notes below for more. Dominic Grote, president and CEO of Grote Industries, has been inducted into the Heavy Duty Aftermarket Hall of Fame. He was awarded during the opening of Heavy Duty Aftermarket Week in Grapevine, Texas on January 21st. Grote, also chairman of Mehmet Aftermarket Suppliers, was recognized for his leadership and innovation in the heavy-duty aftermarket industry. That's going to do it for this week's episode of Automotive Repair News Today. Reach out for news that you think should be on next week's show when you email me at braxton@automotiverepairnews.com. I'm also looking for good news in auto repair stories, so if you know of someone making a difference in the automotive repair industry, doing something outstanding for their community, I also want to know about that. So email me, braxton@automotiverepairnews.com. Thanks for listening. Hey, if you're still here, thank you so much for listening to this episode of Automotive Repair News Today. If you enjoyed the show, please take a moment, like, share, subscribe to the podcast. That'll help us out a big deal and help grow the show. And you know what? While you're at it, slap on a review too if you feel like this content is helpful for the industry. Don't forget to follow us on all your favorite social media platforms. We're on Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn. Stay connected and be the first to know about new episodes, behind-the-scene content, and more. And until next time, let's make the industry better together.